Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Apex English Language. Today I am going to deliver a lecture about nostalgia. What is the meaning of nostalgia? The meaning of nostalgia is homesickness. I can give you some examples. When some students, those who are doing professional courses, some of them are doing the course related to some extracurricular activities like acting course, dancing course, singing, and some of them are learning how to play cricket, how to play football. Some of the students live in hostel and sometimes they become the victim of loneliness. Sometimes they become the victim of biasness, which lead them towards depression. In some extreme cases, some of them commit suicide. It's not good, I know, but it's a part of life. It happens. I can give you one more example. Like, after putting lots of efforts, students qualify exam like defense forces, CDS, NDA, and they are selected in defense. And after joining, they go for training. During training period, means sometimes they are not able to follow some rules and regulations of forces because they find the atmosphere entirely different. During training period, sometimes they are punished because of their fault. Senior officers scold them. Why? Because they have right to scold them. They just want to make them good officer so that they can face the challenges of their life. But the cadets who are newly recruited, they take it in negative way and they decide to quit or resign from the post. Why it is so? They are not able to face the challenges of life. They must face it. It's part of their training, because after facing problem, they can become good officer. So this is called homesickness. That time they feel that they remember the days of their childhood when they used to play with their friends, when they used to attend some parties and functions with their member of family, and they feel that this line is not good, this area, this department is not good, and they decide to run away from that department. I can give you some examples. With the help of these examples, you can overcome this problem. Like, just you can adapt according to the circumstances. You can develop some characteristics in your nature, like flexibility. You must change your habits. You must be like eucalyptus tree. As wind blows towards east, the eucalyptus tree bends towards east. When wind blows towards west, eucalyptus tree bends towards west. You should also do the same. Only then you can overcome these type of problem. If you follow some these type of solution given by me, you can definitely overcome from these type of all problems. If you like this video, thank you very much. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get latest notification of my videos. Thank you.